Welcome back to the Bike Rider Pro. What if one of India's most iconic sedans made a comeback in 2026? The Hindustan Contessa, a name that once meant power, prestige, and road presence, is rumored to return with a modern twist. In this video, we'll imagine what the 2026 Hindustan Contessa could look like, what it might offer, and why it could shake up the Indian car scene. A quick look back. The original Contessa was known for its bold design, long bonnet, and executive class feel. Back in the day, it stood for status and authority on the road. If Hindustan Motors revives it, the new Contessa would likely keep that classic muscle sedan attitude, but with a fresh, modern identity. Exterior design, retro meets modern. The 2026 Contessa could feature a boxy, strong silhouette inspired by the original, mixed with LED headlights, a wide grille and sharp body lines. Expect a long, low stance, big alloy wheels, and a premium paint finish that gives it both retro charm and modern aggression. Interior, comfort with a premium touch. Inside, the new Contessa would probably focus on space and comfort. A large touchscreen, digital instrument cluster, premium upholstery, and connected car features could bring it up to date. The aim would be to keep the executive sedan feel, but with 2026 level tech and convenience. Engine and performance, power matters. Under the hood, the 2026 Contessa could come with modern petrol and diesel options, or even a hybrid variant. Smooth performance, better fuel efficiency, and refined driving dynamics would be key. This wouldn't just be a cruiser, it would be a confident highway, machine features and safety. Expect features like ADAS, multiple airbags, ABS, traction control, 360-degree camera, and smart connectivity. The new Contessa would need to meet modern safety standards while offering the comfort and tech buyers expect in this segment. Expected positioning and rivals. If launched, the 2026 Hindustan Contessa would likely sit in the premium sedan space, competing with modern midsize and executive sedans. Its biggest advantage? Nostalgia, presence, and a unique identity that no other car can copy. Final thoughts? A comeback worth watching. The return of the Contessa in 2026 would be more than just a new car. It would be the return of an icon. If done right, it could blend classic Indian automotive history with modern performance and tech. Would you like to see the Contessa back on the roads? Let us know in the comments.